In today's video, I'll be explaining how you can solve questions like this. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please do well to subscribe so that you'll be notified when I drop my next video. Do well to like, comment. This motivates me to create more content like this. So now looking at this, what do you think we can actually do? These are n factorials. We're talking about factorial, which can be n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 and so on and so forth. That is, if we have 8 factorial, it's more like saying we have it as 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 and so on and so forth. So now coming to this question, what do you think we can do here? We have 8 factorial, which can be reduced to 8 multiplied by 7 factorial plus 7 factorial. The 6 factorial there can be reduced to be 6 multiplied by 5 factorial plus 5 factorial divided by, this can be 8 multiplied by 7 factorial minus 7 factorial. The only difference is the negative sign. 6 multiplied by 5 factorial minus 5 factorial. So now looking at the upper part there, what do you think we can actually do? They have something in common, which is the 7 factorial. So what do we do here? We bring it out, which is, we say that we have 7 factorial into the bracket of, when you divide this 8 times 7 factorial by 7 factorial, you have 8 left plus 1, in such a way that when you use the 7 factorial to open the bracket, you'll be having exactly what we have there. The second bracket, we have 5 factorial in common. So when you divide the first one by 5 factorial, you'll be having 6 plus 1 divided by, we have 7 factorial common, then 8 minus 1. The difference is just the negative sign, which is we have 5 factorial common, then 6 minus 1. So now this means that we are having this to be 7 factorial. 8 plus 1 gives us 9 multiplied by 5 factorial. 6 plus 1 gives us 7 divided by 7 factorial. 8 minus 1 gives us 7. Okay, multiplied by 5 factorial, then 6 minus 1 gives us 5. That is, looking at this now, what do you think we can do? This 7 factorial here can cancel this, 5 factorial can cancel 5 factorial, 7 can cancel 7. So the final answer to this question is 9 divided by 5. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. See you in my next video.